the living God. You're wonderful. Hello. Hi. Today I want to talk about how to get your a child to tell you everything. Children are very secretive, yes. Half of the things they think of, they have in mind, they don't say it out unless you use these special tricks. There are 6 ways of getting a child to tell you everything. I'll talk about 3 today. The remaining 3, I'll mention them in my next video. 1, love them. Love them for real. When you love a child, they know. It's easy to deceive an adult, but children are highly spirited. They'll always know when you love them truly. 2, prove your love to them. Anyhow you can do it, prove it. Put it in action. 3, act like them. If you want to get them to talk freely with you, play with them once in a while, act like them, discuss with them, negotiate with them, and they will get to tell you a lot you need to know. Well, I'm gonna play a video on how I get children to tell me a lot of things. I mean the things they don't even tell their parents. Watch and imitate me. Thank you. Hello once again, my beautiful friends. Nice to meet you. So I have a gift for you, just to show you how much I love you. Better days are coming, so you pick your gift one after the other. Pick your gift. Pick anybody. Pick anyone. Today, take a good look at my hand. I want you to lose this bead from my hand and do exactly like this. Then, if you still have time, you use these pieces and do what you can do. This is discovering of skill. I want to know which of you we can move further to train on making beads. This is your pretty style. Feel love under her. I got a gift. Someone that love me so much, get me this mango.
Loma, what is this?
And someone that love me so much did this makeup for me. All of them, I love you too.
And out of me.
You, what did you do?
Auntie, I fetch water.
Today is show Auntie some loving.
Come on, move your hand.
Oh, thank you.
Put on me.
I love you all. Thank you. Why you looking like a Juju Calabar?
Calabar is because.
Why is your face like this?
Powder. Powder.
Why is your face like that? Say something. I want you to tell me. Powder.
Yes.
What motivated you to put powder?
Because we like it.
You know you guys are very intelligent, like you sabi.
Oh, boy, just put your eye.
Like you na sabi book, like.
Say something
Say something nice. Say something nice, please. To sweet auntie.
Okay.
Light of the world, we are creative. We are everything you want in your life. Ooh.